Friends, starting a small business with little money can feel overwhelming, but with the right planning and hard work, it's totally doable. Many successful business owners started with almost nothing and built their companies over time. In today's video, we will tell you about how to start a business with less money and make that business successful by sharing real-life examples, which will encourage you and you can take your first step towards business. Number 1. Pick the right business idea. If you don't have a lot of money, choose a business idea that doesn't cost much to start. Here are some ideas. Service businesses. Things like freelance writing, graphic design, social media management, tutoring, or cleaning. Online businesses. Drop shipping, selling custom products, blogging or affiliate marketing. Reselling. Buy and sell items from thrift stores, create handmade crafts, or sell secondhand electronics. Local services. Offer lawn care, pet sitting, or handyman services. Example: Sarah Blakely started Spanx with just $5,000 in savings, inspired by cutting the feet off her pantyhose to create smoother undergarments. With no business or fashion background, she researched, wrote her own patent, and persistently pitched her idea, despite numerous rejections. Her breakthrough came when a manufacturer agreed to produce her prototype, and she secured a deal with Neiman Marcus after personally demonstrating the product. Grassroots marketing, including sending Spanx to Oprah Winfrey, helped the brand gain traction. By solving a real problem with a unique product, staying authentic, and reinvesting profits, Blakely turned Spanx into a billion-dollar company and became a self-made billionaire. Number 2. Make a simple business plan. A simple business plan focuses on the most important part of your business, like target audience, who will buy from you. Revenue streams, how will you make money? Cost structure, what are your main expenses? Marketing strategy, how will you attract customers? I will explain all the points one by one. Target audience, who will buy from you? Your target audience is the group of people most likely to buy your product or service. They share common characteristics like age, location, interest, or needs. Knowing your target audience helps you create products and marketing messages that appeal directly to them. Example: if you're starting a tutoring service, your target audience might be high school students who need help in math, or their parents who are looking for a tutor. Revenue streams. How will you make money? Revenue streams are the ways your business will generate income. This could be from selling products, offering services, subscriptions, or even advertising. Understanding your revenue streams ensures you know where your money will come from. Example: a bakery might have multiple revenue streams. Selling bread in store, catering for events, and offering baking classes. Cost structure. What are your essential expenses? The cost structure lists all the important costs you'll need to pay to run your business. These might include rent, materials, equipment, or marketing. Knowing your costs helps you budget and ensures your revenue covers your expenses. Example: if you run a cleaning service, your costs might include cleaning supplies, transportation, and wages for employees. Marketing strategy. How will you attract customers? Your marketing strategy is your plan for letting people know about your business and encouraging them to buy from you. This can include social media, advertisements, word of mouth, or attending local events. Example: a graphic designer might use Instagram to showcase their work, while also networking with small businesses to offer their services. Why these are important. Target audience helps you focus on the right people. Revenue streams ensures you know how you'll earn money. Cost structure keeps your business financially healthy. Marketing strategy brings in customers and builds your brand. By answering these questions clearly, you'll have a strong foundation for your business, and the chances of your business being successful will also increase. Number 3, start small and grow over time. Don't spend a lot of money up front. Instead, test your business idea first. This helps you see if it will work before investing more. Steps to start small. Prototype. Make a basic version of your product or service. Friends Prototype is a preliminary version of a product created to test its concept and functionality. It allows you to refine the design and address any issues before full production. Test the market. Offer it to a few people and get feedback. Friends. Testing the market involves introducing the prototype to a small, targeted audience to gather feedback. This helps validate demand, identify improvements, and minimize risks before scaling the business. Make improvements. Use their advice to make your product or service better. Example: Eric Yuan, who created Zoom, started with a simple version of his platform. He listened to feedback and made it better, turning it into a top video conferencing tool. Number 4. Use free or cheap tools. There are lots of tools that cost little or nothing to help you run your business. Websites. Try WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Marketing. Use Canva for designs, MailChimp for emails, and Hootsuite for social media. Finance. Use Wave or QuickBooks to manage money. Communication. Slack and Zoom are great for staying in touch. Friends start with free plans and trials to keep your costs low. Number 5. Use your skills and connections. Friends. Your personal skills and relationships can help you save money. Skills. Do as much work yourself as you can. Connections. Ask friends, family, or colleagues for advice or help. Example: Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak built the first Apple computers in a garage. They relied on their technical skills and creativity instead of spending money they didn't have. Number 6. Market your business for free or cheap. You don't need a big budget to tell people about your business. Try these affordable methods. Social media. Post on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Content marketing. Write blog posts or create videos. Local networking. Attend community events or partner with other businesses. Word of mouth. Ask happy customers to recommend you. Post regularly and be honest about your business to build trust with your audience. Number 7. Reinvest profits to grow. Bootstrapping means using your own savings or the money your business makes to grow it. This way, you don't need loans or investors. Steps to bootstrap. Start with just the basics. Avoid spending on things you don't need. Use profits to slowly grow your business. Example: Michael Dell started Dell Computers in his dorm room with $1,000. He reinvested what he earned to grow his company into a global success. And with the help of bootstrapping, today Michael Dell became the world's leading computer manufacturer. Number 8. Make your customers happy. Happy customers are key to a successful business. They'll keep coming back and tell others about your business. Tips for great customer service. Listen to feedback and make changes when needed. Be honest and upfront. Go above and beyond to help your customers. Example: Zappos became a top online shoe store by focusing on amazing customer service. Their efforts led to rapid growth and an acquisition by Amazon. Number 9. Work with others. Partnering with other businesses or people can save money and help you grow. Co-host events or online workshops. Share marketing efforts with similar businesses. Promote each other's products or services. Example: when Uber started, they worked with events and conferences to promote their service, gaining attention without spending a lot on ads. Number 10. Track your progress and adjust. Keep an eye on what's working and what's not. Use that information to make smart changes. Tools to measure success. Google Analytics. Check how many people visit your website. Social media tools. Look at likes, shares, and comments. Surveys. Ask customers for their opinions. Key takeaways for success. Start small. Don't spend too much at first. Be resourceful. Use free tools and your skills. Focus on customers. Keep them happy and build relationships. Stay flexible. Be ready to change and improve. With these steps and examples, you can turn your business idea into something real, even if you don't have a lot of money. Remember, hard work and creativity can take you far. Thanks.